got your vest on up under there?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to wear these gloves?
Yeah. Green gloves.
They're not going to be cold, that's for sure.
Getting bundled up?
Yeah.
It's freezing out here today, everybody.
Be able to zip it. It is definitely a soup day today, y'all, so I'm bringing out the slow cooker. We're gonna make farmhouse chicken pot pie soup. The original plan was chicken pot pies, but it's a soup day. So we're going with chicken pot pie soup. We already have the chicken cooked and ready. I just need to shred it. It's New Year's Eve for y'all today. What are you doing? Tell me in the comments. I'm gonna use the KitchenAid to shred this chicken because it'll do it super quick. Oh, did y'all see Prancer in there? The cabinet or the KitchenAid was his home throughout the Christmas, 25 days of Christmas. That's where we kept him. That's why a couple of times he was sticking out of the KitchenAid a little bit. And some of y'all found him there when he was not supposed to be showing himself. You were supposed to be hiding. So then we started putting him in the cabinet right above the KitchenAid so that he didn't get lost, you know, between the days when he was hiding in different places. Okay, we're gonna shred this chicken. Now it's cold. I should have sat it out a little while ago. So it's gonna take it just a little bit longer to shred since it's cold. When the chicken's warm and you put it in here, I mean, it's like less than a minute. You have perfectly shredded chicken ready to go. One of y'all told me this tip several years ago, whenever I first got the KitchenAid. I guess it was about 3 or 4 years ago now. You have to hold this down for a minute when you first start it, because it wants to fling chicken everywhere. Okay, we need 32 ounces of chicken broth. Okay, so I put in 2 cups of water. Now I'm putting 1 more cup. Now I'm gonna put the top on this and go ahead and turn it on to high for 4 hours while I chop up the carrots and everything that we're gonna need. I'm starting it a little later, so we want it to go ahead and start warming up. So we've got onion, carrots, and celery that we're gonna put in here. We need to get the carrots in there first because they take the longest to get tender, and I'm gonna do them really little. That'll help them out some. Now when I make chicken pot pies, I cook the carrots and all on the stovetop first for just a little bit, and we leave those big because once you cook them on the stovetop some and then add them into the pie and they bake in the oven for a little while, they get plenty tender, and we really like the big carrots. But since this is cooking for a little bit of a shorter time, I'm gonna make them really small. Also, chicken and dumplings. We like the big carrots and chicken and dumplings too. Now when this gets almost done, just has about 15 minutes left, we'll add in a cup of half and half. I don't have any half and half, but we'll make our own with some cream and milk. I'm getting this started in the slow cooker. I gotta switch out the laundry, go let the chickens out and clean up their pen real quick, and then we're gonna go to the antique stores. Y'all, I've been wanting to go for several days now. Now I'll just keep a watch on this because it looks like I might need to add a little more water to it or something, so I'll just check it every now and then and see if we need to add more. Everybody else is outside, so it's just me in here right now. I made me some coffee, and I'm still listening to Christmas music, but it's the old country Christmas music. It's like kind of bluegrassy style, and a lot of it is just like winter songs. It doesn't really talk about Christmas. It's just talking about like it being cold and Granny making pies and stuff like that. So I'm listening to wintertime music. And now the onion. I think I'll just need half of this onion, so we'll wrap the rest of it up. Now, Titus already seasoned the chicken, like I said, really good yesterday, so all I'm gonna put in here is a little bit of salt and pepper. And yes, I can definitely see I do need a little bit more water, so we'll go ahead and put in another cup. And this is a nice big pot of chicken pot pie soup. got lots of stuff here. Cracked corn, some seeds.
Here's one, Mama. Mama already got one.
Got an egg?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
I think this is the only one.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I can barely catch up to her.
Is that good, Roosty?
Yeah,
Let's see what they're wanting to get the most.
I think the worms.
The worms, I think they like the corn best.
See, there's one worm somewhere in this. Have y'all ever seen a dried worm? You want to see one? Here it is. Here. Hi, I'm Wormy McDoodles. I don't know where you came from. Come on, Mama. I'm backing out of here right now.
Can you take the eggs back up to the porch?
Yeah, I'm gonna put them in. I bet y'all wondered what I just drove by. A Ford. But it ain't going open.
Hey! I'm just straightening up in here.
Okay. Where's my saddle at? Oh, there it is. This is my saddle. Yeah, we got some.
You getting a bucket? Oh, yeah.
What's this?
That is,
An old remote control?
no, that's a weather radio. It works.
It's a Waffle House mug.
I have enough money to get it anyway, so I could get it myself. Look at these old fishing baits.
Yeah? Do you want to buy something?
Yeah, because I have enough
He wants
money.
that weather radio.
Because I have enough money to get it.
Come here, let's look and make sure that's what you want. They have these coffee mugs over here. Look, here's an espresso one.
Mama, this is the thing that I want to get. Look at this, Mama.
Yeah, that's a nice chair.
This is the thing that I want because I have enough money to get it.
Yeah.
It already comes with the batteries that it needs, Mama. See?
Yeah, I know.
It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4. It comes with 4 batteries.
Mm-hmm.
I want you to get scared. Daddy, I found something that you'll like.
You did. Heard that?
Thank you, sir. Y'all have a blessed day.
Yes, ma'am. You too.
I'm going to leave it in here until we get back to the house so I can open it up.
They have a hot chocolate and coffee station in this one. They usually have coffee in there and hot water here for the hot chocolate. Yeah, those are nice. How much are they? $74 for one, or the set of two? This is a buffalo mug. It's like the perfect size for me. I like that size.
This looks almost exactly like the one that we had. This is almost it.
She's over here playing in the kitchen.
This might what be they used for them to hang clothes on.
I'm going to interpret that. Back in the old days,
They hang clothes on these.
they could have hung clothes on something like this.
Or towels.
That is a nice little thing.
The old days for him is 1998.
All right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning, world.
I'm fearful that you're getting that, aren't you?
I am going to get that.
Oh, yes.
Daddy has an exciting thing like my weather machine.
Right.
4:30 in the mornings.
Hey, they got some Goose Creek candles here. Skillet blueberry cobbler. Here's a blue ball jar for $5.98.
It would take somebody that, like us, that could read that.
Oh, yeah.
You know? Kids today, that would be a foreign language to them.
Got up at 8 o'clock. Oatmeal and coffee, crackers for breakfast.
Daddy?
Riverside wondering if you laughing.
This
What?
is
Breakfast and
February the 2nd, 1949.
talked with somebody about women's club.
What time did they get up?
8 o'clock, it says.
Okay, they was getting up too late in those
Over
days.
here they got up at 7:30.
Okay, but still,
Up
in
at
those days,
7:30.
my papa used to get up at 4, milking cows.
Yeah.
See, y'all couldn't.
Oh, look, they didn't feel so good on this day.
Oh my goodness.
Do not feel so good.
Who doesn't feel good?
Just doing odd jobs.
Up at 7:45. Had a bath. Okay.
Good morning.
What you doing? Brownies? Daddy's got, oh, there he is. Lux Pinto beans are on sale for 58 cents. In the South, you actually have a country ham center in the grocery store.
Yeah, that's it.
Do we see fatback though? I see pork side meat. You might have to go with side meat if there's no fatback. Old-fashioned custard. Orange juice is on sale for $2.98. Ingles is busy today, y'all. It wasn't even this busy at Christmas time. Everybody's coming here to get stuff for New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. Collard greens, black-eyed peas,
Doing it
little
all.
cocktail smokies.
It was like last time I seen them this busy.
Yeah, it was not this busy at Christmas time. Today is busier. What happened is everybody's just been eating up everything
Yep.
that they had cooked for
Leftovers.
Christmas, and now they're like, we need something different.
Yep.
Let's go to Ingles. We're back home. I'm adding in the cream.
If y'all follow me, then there'll be better service. There's gonna be better service.
It's coming in now, ain't it?
West at 12, gusting to 21. At Lincoln.
What's it?
Clear at
What?
46, wind northwest at 13. At Rome, it was clear at 44, wind northwest at 6. At Augusta, it was clear at 47,
Where?
wind northwest at 8.
In Augusta,
It was partly cloudy and 46, wind northwest at 9. At Chattanooga, it was partly cloudy and 40,
Chattanooga.
wind northwest at 10, gusting to 20. Here is the hazardous weather outlook.
Hazardous.
This hazardous weather outlook is for north and central Georgia. For today,
is that our Georgia?
That's our Georgia.
Red flag warning.
Georgia.
Well, at least you can keep us posted on it, bud.
Yeah.
At Asheville, it was clear and 27.
He's keeping us posted, so if it gets any colder, we'll know as we're feeding horses this season.
Okay, we got the kitchen cleaned up. I'm gonna wash the stuff that we got from the antique store. I guess this is it. Titus got this lock from the first one we went into, and Jonah got a steel coin. I can't remember exactly what it was, but he got a coin. Manly got his weather radio. I don't think Sissy picked out anything in any of them today. Titus got this alarm clock. Looking forward to that. And then I got these two Buffalo coffee mugs. They're the perfect size. My perfect size anyway. They have a little buffalo on the bottom.